Hi guys, let me do you guys can already see I'm doing wash and go. Let me try wash and go. Honestly, it doesn't look bad. I'm gonna do wash and go with you guys. First thing first, you just have to figure out with wash and go, guys. It's a very interesting type of style, okay? You're just gonna try and see what works for you. So let's see if this one works. This one looks okay. So first thing, I have water with me. I'm gonna spray some water. So I'll move these out of the way. Get some water. The trick is usually water. So I've sprayed enough water on there and massage it in. The reason it's coming like this is because already I've touched it with the rest of the product. So once I massage in the water, so make sure that you detangle your hair properly. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit runny gel, and I do about 3 pumps. And I run into from my ends to my roots. I don't put anything on my roots because that's not what I do. So this is how it looks like. It looks, some curls are forming, and I have tight curls. So you're gonna have your natural curls coming out. We're not looking for super nice and better. No, that's not what we're trying to do. We're just trying to work with what we got, work with your curls, and let's see if they can come out. Then my last set of gel is a very thick gel. This is from Cantu, and this has shea butter, is maximum hold. And I'm just gonna try it. It has Jamaica black castor oil. So that's gonna help with the moisturization. Take enough, not too much. And so let me go ahead and add on to that and see if it has a difference. To look at the difference, I'm gonna use my fingers to right through, okay? My curls are forming. You can see the difference. Um, yeah, I'm basically just going to go like that. And I'm going to continue to wreck it out. So, not bad actually. So I'm going to continue working around it. And anyways, I don't have enough time, but stick book part two to see what it look like.